What's up everyone, this is Brian C and let's get started. So in today's video, we are unboxing and testing out the AC adapter for your Canon G7X Mark II, Mark III, and here are the other compatible cameras for this AC adapter here. I've actually been using Canon G7X Mark II for my videos for unboxing reviews on my other channel, R13 Gunpla. Now let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what you will get. Okay, now you get your regular plug here. Looks like it's actually long enough, shouldn't be any issue. And you got your adapter here, your AC adapter, plastic. I've actually used other similar product. Now let's go ahead and check out the important piece here. And this is what it looks like. So comparison wise, I actually got my Canon battery here and it's actually the same size, but there's some missing wire there. Must not matter, but we will be doing some testing here right away. And here is an instruction manual, very basic. Okay, now so it should be an easy installation here. You get your plug here, and this will be like any other AC adapter here. There's actually a notch that I will show you guys right away. So I'm actually quite excited to see if actually this works out, and hopefully it doesn't destroy my camera. Okay, moment of truth. I get everything plugged in here, and remember, when you're putting in the cable, just push this into your right. Okay, simple as that. It's practically just putting in a battery, that's it. Okay, now get your camera ready here. Open up the panel. You see that small indentation there? That's for your DC cable. Push this out. Okay, simple as that. And then all you have to do is put the battery in, close the panel, secure, and there you go. Remember, do not remove this piece here. It's designed it that way that you can actually close it up afterwards. And here's another nice thing is, once you're done, you actually don't have to remove the battery pack. All you have to remove is this cable here, and there you go. Now, moment of truth. Okay, is this gonna work? Is this gonna wreck my camera? Hopefully not. Okay, and it works. Wow, look at that. It doesn't actually show the battery icon there, so this is actually quite nice. Now there's one more test that I want to do. I'm actually gonna leave this plugged in and see how long the AC adapter, if it's gonna heat up or not. I'll just give this about 5 minutes of continuous recording here. is enough testing. 5 minutes is more than enough to find out if it's overheating. And I do have this beast here. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this baby off. Okay. And just to show you guys, it's actually plugged in. There you go. And that's not a good sign. Okay. Never do that. Okay. So the first order of business is this AC adapter here. So what temperature will this be? Okay, 24. Okay, between 24 and 25. And now for the adapter itself. Actually, it's not that bad. Not bad at all. Somewhere around 25 degrees Celsius, which is actually quite nice. Okay, this is actually a very handy tool. Definitely if you are planning on doing what do you call that now, like a podcast using your Canon G7X Mark II here, or something else like reviews, unboxing, just like I do. Okay, that's all the time that I got, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Say hi to my SDCS, Zaku, Char Custom, Green Zaku, and Hello Kitty. Okay, have a good day, good night, afternoon, wherever you are. This is actually Brian C. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to click this click the like button and the subscribe button, bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, good night, afternoon, wherever you are. Signing out.